Hi my lovely people, and most welcome again to another episode of Where to Get Loans. In today's video, I'll be tackling about USSD codes loans. If you're that person who doesn't have an Android phone, if you're that person who doesn't have a computer, a laptop, anything that can access internet, then this video is for you. Make sure that you're watching the video until the end to understand. Okay, I always repeat this. Make sure that you understand first before you jump into just going and getting these loans. It's always important to get information first. We know that when it comes to loan matters, they are very sensitive, and you need to have information first before you go and start just taking loans from anywhere. Caution, my videos are not adverts and have not been sent here by specific companies to advertise for them about any loan, about anything to do with the videos that I'm doing. I'm just creating awareness out there, and I'm not purposely telling you guys to go to a certain site and do this and this. Okay, I'm just creating awareness out there so that you'll know they exist and they're there. If you do your research well, you're going to get these loans. In case this is your first time here, my name is Doreen and this is Doc Vlogs, where I bring you guys anything to do with loans, how to make money online, business ideas, and anything that revolves finance. In case these are the kind of videos you would love to watch in future, please become a family by hitting that subscription button and give this video a like. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell. I'm your host Doreen, and let's jump into today's topic. I'm so happy to have you here. Most welcome back, my viewer. In today's video, as I said before, we are going to tackle USSD code loans, and we will start by understanding what USSD is first. Then we will know the importance of you having a USSD or dialing the USSD. Then we will discuss about USSD loans, and I will list down the list of lenders who or the codes you can dial, and the names of the lenders that will give you a loan in case you have an emergency. And today's video consists of those lenders who will give you a loan amount between 1,000 and 10,000 Kenyan shillings. So stay tuned until the end of the video to understand more. In today's video, all you need to do is to have a phone, whether it's Android, whether it's Kabambe. I know most of you guys may be having maybe Kabambe, or you might be having an Android phone but you don't have access to internet. What do? These are the codes you can dial. Okay, first of all, if you're new here and you see me looking down, I usually have a book where I've researched and written everything down. Literally, my diary is full, so I just have to write on a normal book, but the important thing is to share the information out there. So what is USSD code? Okay, so these are commands. If you see me looking down, please note that I have done a research and I can't keep everything up here. Sometimes you need to write. Okay, so these are commands that you need to feed somewhere. These are commands that offers online banking solution for individuals to access and make mobile financial transaction. Okay, so in other words, they're just commands that you're supposed to feed in your phone, basically to help you with financial needs. That is what USSD code is. Okay, we have not talked about USSD code loans. I've just said USSD code. So what are the benefits of you having a USSD code? It's easy to access. Definitely, that is self-explanatory. It's easy to access a USSD code rather than just going and downloading apps or visiting websites. Okay, it's easy to access. The other thing is minimal document. Definitely, when you key in these commands, they just ask you for very few things, and they'll not need you to upload any document or so. Okay, so they'll just need you to key in details. They'll ask your name, your email, very few documentation. Then there is low cost. If I was to buy bundles for maybe 100 shillings or to dial with 1 shillings, okay, I'll use the USSD code because it's easy. You just need to dial. Okay, the other thing is like it's easy to repay. Also, it's not like apps whereby when you get to repay your loans, you need to go download the app, find the pay bill, or pay through the app, and also that. Okay, so it's easy because you're just going to dial the same codes that you dialed. The other thing is that it's convenient. That is self-explanatory. So let's jump into what is USSD now codes loans. USSD code loans. Okay, these are basically loans that acquired from a loan service by using USSD code. Okay, so it just derives from the word USSD code, whereby it's a command that you feed on your phone or in your phone so that you can access a loan. There are those lenders who just gives out or gets codes and gives out there. They share the information out there, whereby you just need to dial specific codes and you'll get a loan. It's as easy as that. You may get that someone has maybe an app on Play Store, and definitely also they have a website and they'll have a USSD codes. Okay, so if you do not get a loan via app or the website, you can always try the USSD code. It's very easy, guys, to use the USSD code rather than the other apps and anything else. Okay, so I'll list down some of few lenders and what you can do in order for you to get the loan from them. And first of all, you need to have airtime. For those people asking why you should have airtime, definitely you can't dial the codes without airtime balance. Okay, and you need to have a minimum of not less. If you want to try the 15, because I'm going to discuss with you about the 15 places you can get the loan, definitely you don't know how much they are charging or how long it's going to take for you to fill in what they are requiring. So please make sure that you're not having not less than 50 bob as airtime. Just put 50 bob in your, recharge your phone with 50 shillings as your airtime balance, so that you can try all of these list that I'm going to speak with you. Guys, forgive me about that. Okay, so number one, okay, where you can get USSD code loans here in Kenya is by just dialing *243*90#. If you have a paper, please write down. Okay, they are called SOTIWA. SOTIWA is SOTIWA. You dial *243*90#. Okay, and these things are very easy. When you dial, they're just going to prompt you, welcome to SOTIWA. Okay, do you want to register? Yes. You click number one. You need a loan or you want to repay? I need a loan. Then they'll you'll key in all the documentation that they want. If it's your name, your email, anything. Okay, it's very, very easy to access their USSD code loans. Number two is My Credit. My Credit is MyCredit. My Credit. How do you access it? You dial *322#. They also have an app on Play Store, even SOTIWA. If you do not want to dial and you have internet, you can just go direct to Play Store and download it. Okay. Number three is Telkom. Yes, Telkom. If you have a Telkom line, then this saves your day, simply because you're going to dial *133# and you're going to get a loan with Faulu. I think Faulu Microfinance has been collaborated with Telkom, and they have been giving out loan amount of 1,000 to, I think, something like 30,000, depending on how you use your Telkom line. Okay, so that's it. If you have a Telkom line, you can also access one. Number four is Premier Credit. Premier Credit is Premier, PREMIER. Premier Credit, you can dial *241#. *241#. Okay. Number five, we have PI Capital. PI, then capital CAPITAL. PI Capital. How do you get a loan from them? You dial *879*99#. And one thing before I forget, you must be 18 years of age. Definitely, you must be a Kenyan citizen. Okay, there is only one that I'll mention that you can access while you are away, and I'll also specify on the specific countries that you can get the loan with them. Okay, but for this one, you must be a Kenyan citizen who is of age. That is, you must be 18 years and above. Okay, so number six is Gulf Africa. GULF Africa. You dial *399#, and this is the code that I was talking about. If you are in Gulf countries, if you are in Lebanon, you are in Saudi, you are in Dubai, okay, you can access the loan as long as you are a Kenyan citizen who is away from Kenya. You can access that through dialing *399#. Number 7 on the list is SAF NCBA. SAF is Safaricom NCBA. You can dial *234 hash. Then number 8 on the list we have Ndege. Ndege is NDEGE. You can dial *882 hash. Then number 9 is Paddy. Paddy is PADDY. With Paddy, you can dial *269 hash. If you write it down, you can just listen or rewind the video a little bit or save it so that at least you can write down. Okay. Then with Paddy, we said you dial *269 hash. Then number 10 on the list, we have Copado, where you can dial *610 hash. Then 11, you have Extended Money, where you dial *676 hash. Then 12, we have Zenka. Zenka is all over, guys, and we know that Zenka can save your day. So many people are getting a loan from Zenka. Okay, with Zenka you need to dial *841 hash. Okay, then number 13 we have Timiza. With Timiza, actually it's from Barclays Bank, and you can dial, and also they have an app on Play Store. Okay, if you want to dial, you can dial *848 hash. It has been there for a very long time. Okay, I remember when the information was being passed out there, I was getting a loan limit of 14,000. Okay, so you can try Timiza. Okay, number 14 is Pesa Chap, whereby you just need to dial *339 hash. And the number last on the list is Okolea, whereby you need to dial *842 hash. Okolea, you dial *842 hash. Okay, so if you have a kabambe, you do not have an Android phone, or if you have an Android phone and you do not have internet access, you can always dial those codes that I've given out, and they'll prompt you on what to do next. I've been your host, Doreen or Dop. If you like my videos, please make sure that you're sharing them out, and also don't forget to become a family by hitting that subscription button. Let me see you on another video. Ciao for today.